No, you gotta go home.
I don't know, man. I don't know if I can try and set up.
Oh, fucking God.
Thank you, sir.
Hey. Okay, so what is that?
Real?
Yeah.
Are you serious? I love the ice cream man. We love ice cream man. Fine. Are you sure it's a good idea, man? No, it's a terrible idea. Every once in a while, you say, what the fuck? Somebody get hurt, they can probably shoot my boss in the car with it.
They don't know.
Ain't nobody gonna get it.
We ain't gonna have any problem.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to feel that wouldn't be a good thing. Like you, man, I wish I was young to do that. Yeah, graduation. Oh, you guys, y'all get ready to graduate or graduate?
We graduated a long time ago.
We're really young yet.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. We're gonna get locked into the cops. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. How many hours?
She can't drive.
Dude, that's gonna be the best episode of Cops ever if we got Why are you running? Oh, man. Oh, my God. You're not gonna make it. Man, look at that fucking idiot.
This thing cannot drive. Get her out of there.
Dude, somebody's gonna call the cops soon. You realize someone's gonna call the cops soon?
Yeah, maybe those people down there.
Alright, not gonna fall it slow.
Slowly, and then yank it back.
Just take your foot off the brake.
It's not on the brake.
Bad off your little gas. Oh yeah, it does that.
Killed it.
It does that.
He does the dust.
Does that have a clutch? Just a little ragged up. Does that thing have a clutch? Hey, Dwayne, it'd be a good idea to get out of here so you go and stay on the cops. Really?
No, they're looking.
Ain't that hard to drive stick? I gotta keep going now.
Turn back, turn back. What are you drunk as hell or what?
Yeah, you know, I'm on my way to the whole deal by now.
Just fucking, I love the way this